Next, true or false. First, all even natural numbers which are divisible by 3 are also divisible by 6. That is not the answer here. Even natural numbers. Okay, let me see, but I didn't see this even. Okay. So even natural numbers. Let's see. So even natural numbers means what? Ending with what? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Right? Now divisible by 3 we want. Okay. So which one? Try with the lowest numbers. Okay. Which numbers? 12, 24, then what? 6, 18, 30 are divisible by 3 and are also divisible by 6. So the answer is true. You can check any number which fits this criteria. So it will be definitely divisible by 6 also. Next, if a natural number is divisible by 21, then it is divisible by both 3 and 7. Okay. So 21 divisible by 21. It means 21 is what? 3 into 7. So it will definitely be divisible by 3 and 7. Okay. So here it's like this. If this bigger number divides somebody, then these smaller numbers would definitely divide. But vice versa is not true. If this smaller number divides somebody, this bigger number may not divide. Right? Yeah. If the product divides of these, then this bigger number divides. Got it? Means if this bigger number 21 divides, then the smaller numbers or factors of them, it will definitely divide. Okay. So 42 upon 21, okay. 42 upon 3 into 7, yeah, divisible. Similarly 63, you can go on and on and on. So the answer is true. Next is true or false. AB into 4 equals to 192. Then A plus B equals to, okay. AB into 4 is 192. Therefore AB is what? 192 upon 4, that is 48. Okay. So A plus B is what? 4 plus 8, that is 12. Is it equal to 10? No. So A plus B equals to 10 is false. So the answer is false. Okay. Next, a number of the form 14n plus 2 leaves the remainder 2 when divided by 7. Okay. Is it true or false? That's what we are required to search. Okay. 14n plus 2. So n can be anything. It's not given. It's not given whether it's natural number, whole number, whatever you say, or rational number, whatever it can be, integer. Okay. Let's see. So 14n plus 2. So n equals to, we'll try with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So n equals to 0. So 14 into 0 plus 2 is 2. Remainder is 2. Wow, how come remainder is 2? Divided by 7. 0 upon 7 is 0 and remainder, this 2 remains. Okay. For 1, okay. 14 into 1, 14 plus 2, 16. So remainder is 2 again. Similarly 30, remainder is 2. So you go on and on and on. The remainder will be 2. So 14n plus 2 when divided by 7 will always leave a remainder of 2. So the answer is true. Got it? Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. Useful for you throughout your life for all the competitive exams. Remember, we have videos for the same. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.